Konbanwa. It is early evening. This girl is in a bad mood. Bella is not in a bad mood. This is supposed to be a really quick shopping trip today. The girls have some cousins sleeping over, so we're gonna pick up some sleepover type of food. Gotta stock up on a couple of things as well. Let's go shopping. Let's see what kind of deals we can find today at our local Costco. Hey, what did you say we need?
Cheese pizza.
Oh, cheese pizza? Okay, don't worry, we're gonna get cheese pizza, okay? Look at that, right at the front, the champagne. Telling you guys, try it. Good deal. Okay, we'll get one of these. This is our favorite brand right now of maple syrup. Probably because it's a good deal. Oh, more applesauce? Alright, look at this. Costco's winning right now. Right here, this Kirkland brand applesauce in the pouches. Perfect on the go snack. Maybe they'll even get it in the car. Are you pushing the cart? No? Last time somebody said they couldn't believe we came to Costco without a shopping list. Well, I'm happy to report I got a shopping list from Judy. Box juice, Topo Chico, watermelons, frozen lumpia. I guess she liked that frozen lumpia. Great. Chicken nuggies, instant ramen, green beans and milk. Bella, you want to sit up here?
No.
No? It's all good because it's not that busy today. Leah, why is Bella pushing and you're sitting? You're usually the one pushing, huh? What's going on? Having your little sister push. Just checking the booze aisle and look at this. What is this? Brandy bottle? Wow, $147. $197 for this thing. Have you ever been to the duty free at the airport international? Sometimes $30,000 bottle of brandy. It's crazy. Okay, I already found one thing that wasn't on the list, but I have a feeling is really good. Look, organic Danju pears. Man, pears this time of the season, they're like honey. It's like honey. Hey, did you like those pears from last night? It's like honey. Come on. Look at what I found. Hey, look at this. This is one of the things on Mommy's request list. Watermelon. Bella. Watermelon. Yeah. She was crying, so I had to distract her with some enthusiasm. Wow, watermelon. Should we buy this? Bananas are looking decent today. I have an eye for when bananas are gonna ripen properly and when they're not. And these ones look like they're gonna ripen properly. Hey, should we get bananas? Okay, well, let's get bananas. I'm gonna make homemade Gatorade. And a new ingredient I'm gonna try out, ginger. Look at this. $8, organic ginger. Just 2 or 3 of these could easily cost that much at a normal grocery store. Okay, this is not on the list, but this is a good deal. $17 per pound, USDA Prime. New York's. Okay, Papa's gonna be real happy. One of the things I've been waiting to make is chicken noodle soup. So I'm gonna get whole chickens. There's 2 of them in here, $25. Okay, I'll take it. So Mommy did ask for frozen, or not frozen, but Costco lumpia. So I'll get one of these. But look at this. Apple pie rolls. Ooh, that's tempting. I'm gonna be strong though. We'll just say that's a special treat today. It's a New Year's miracle. It's not busy. Yeah. We prefer it when it's nice and slow. Mommy would love this. I'm telling you, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. This was definitely on the list. This is our favorite juice boxes right here. Haven't done this in a while. Let's get some hot dogs. Whoa, my gosh. Okay, jeez Louise, kind of a lot. Oh, let's just go for it. Okay, last time we looked for this, they had none. Now they've got a whole pallet of Topo Chico. They're converting to clear bottles because I think it's promoting recycling, or it's easier to recycle the clear bottles versus their light green bottles. So I should totally take advantage of this. This is already the 3rd aisle that's been completely empty. Let's go back in time. March 2020. How many of us, put in the comments area, went to Costco? I think I went March 13th or 14th. I went before it got crazy. I was at the front of the line. I remember telling everybody, I was like, you guys, we need to go to Costco right now. And everyone thought I was kind of crazy. I said, just come with me, okay? We're gonna bring multiple cars. We're gonna go early. And they're like, really? It's like, yeah, trust me. I was in the front of the line. The line around Costco was wrapped around the building. And I remember looking at people inside of Costco. Number one, I was not going for the toilet paper. I went for food. And so, yeah, it's funny. We just finally ate through that food that we bought in 2020. Okay, lately, the girls have been loving this, so we're gonna get this. Totino's pizza rolls. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I even like this as my guilty pleasure. I thought there's no samples, but the girls spotted one.
Unfortunately, it's not.
Hey, good eye, girls. Good eye. Roast beef sandwiches. That's actually pretty good. What do you think? Is that good? Oh my gosh. Dark sweet cherries, organic, frozen. Okay. $10? Okay, that's a good deal right there. Chicken nuggies. These are called Dino Buddies. Judy says one of the kids coming over loves this ramen. $8 for 6 of these. Just pass it, everybody. It's fake. It's not the real deal. Soda? I don't know if I've ever talked about this. If you follow the vlog, you know. We don't give these girls soda. That's one of the things that we don't indulge in. Except for maybe once every few months, maybe once every 6 months. Definitely not good for these kiddos. We try to give them all natural fruit juice. You want soda? No, you're not gonna get soda, okay? Who gives you soda anyways? Mia and Kira? How do they give you soda? Oh, look at this. Supposedly there was a rumor that flour was sold out everywhere. Well, that was untrue. Gonna get my mom a whole bunch of flour. Wow, I'm still in disbelief. Girls, we lucked out. Need your help. You want to push too, Mia? Or you want to still ride in the car? What? You want to push? I need your help. Can you please help me push? Oh, you want me to hold you? Jeez Louise. Ah. Wow. Can you guys hear the total? Whew. Anyways, we also order a cheese pizza at the cashier. $10 for pizza? I'll take it. Pizza. Okay, these chicken bakes are looking a little burnt. I did not know they had churros here. Bella, run, run, run. Run, run, run. What are you doing? Huh?
I can help you if you like.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Put that here.
There we go. There we go. You guys hold this. Here. Hold it.
Okay. No.
All right. All right. So that visit cost us $344. That includes cheese pizza. Yes, that's a lot, but let me tell you what was really expensive on this trip. Okay, $60, but you get 4 New York steaks for that. That's $15 a steak for some legit delicious steaks. That's Judy.
How are the kids?
The kids are great. You won't believe this, honey. It was next to empty in Costco.
Oh, that's good.
Yep. Meat is what's expensive, at least here in America. Let me know where you live, if it's cheap or whatever. The champagne, $20. It is what it is. What costs so much? I guess it just all kind of added up. Hot dogs, $16. See, if you subtract the meat and the booze, it's not that bad. It's all the meat. Everyone knows the rules. 1 bite. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, baby. Yeah, you got applesauce.
No.
No? You want pizza?
Me.
All right. Want pizza? Want pizza? Here. All right, you guys. That was the last visit to Costco of the year.